It's Adele from Chalk to Crafts, coming to you from Texas with my family, and they are all chalking, and I want to show you what they're doing because I'm very proud of them. They have done such a great job. So I'll start with the boys. These are my nephews. That's Dylan.
Yes.
He's a diehard fan of what football team?
The Dallas Cowboys, America's team. That's right.
And this is Tyson. He is a diehard fan of
Carolina Panthers.
Carolina Panthers.
Not America's team.
Okay. So here's what they're working on. They are doing the football board. And they have designed this completely themselves. They wanted to do the breast cancer thing because they do that in, I'm upside down. I should go the other way. They do that in high school with their football teams. Actually, I think they've done it all of October. They wear pink. And so these boys have been chalking for quite a while, a couple hours now.
Yeah.
But look at that. They picked the colors, cowboy colors, panther colors. They did the ribbon. They decided the football with the stars. And all of these are from different transfers. So they just kind of put it all together. Pretty creative, I think.
This one.
And if you didn't notice, they're twins. They're how old? 15 and a half?
Yes.
Yep. And then Miss Anna Clough is over here. She's working on her second transfer of the night. Anna, do you want to go get your first transfer that you did? Anna is a bit of an animal lover like her Aunt Adele. And this is what she did earlier. I'll put it down so the light's better. She did No Drama Llama. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna look over her shoulder right now, doing all different colors. Very cool. So that's it. We're gonna see what they're doing over here. They're doing America right now in blue. That's Tyson with the squeegee. Hey Christy, how you doing? These are my nephews. We're having fun chalking. And this is the board. They picked everything. Tyson's a Panther fan. Dylan's a Cowboys fan. And they decided to add the breast cancer thing because they wear pink in October for their games. They play on their local football team. High school football team.
Rouse Raiders.
That's right, the Rouse Raiders. They decided to work on these chalkboards tonight. And then Anna's over here, hard at work on hers. She's doing the dog. And I like how colorful this is. She's putting a paw print on each corner. And then she did the No Drama Llama, which I love. Love that.
Let's go.
Let's go. How did it turn out, guys?
Great.
Okay, Tyson, hold it up.
Alright.
Both of you, stand on each side of it. Stand on your team side.
Good, I don't even want to touch that. He wishes he was a Cowboys.
Well, actually, let's go over here in the kitchen and do it so we can see it really good.
Alright.
Is this finished, or are we gonna do some more stuff?
No, we're doing more. We might do stripes.
Yeah, do some stripes maybe on the
Yeah.
bottom. Crap. Oh.
Oh my.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yep.
No problem. They love it. Can you tell? Oh, awesome. Cool.
Right, sweet. Yeah.
Anyway, that's it for tonight. They're gonna add a few more things to the board, and Anna's gonna finish up her project, and then we'll be done. Yeah, it is the perfect size board, right, Christy? I thought it was awesome. So they're almost done. Oh, lots of hearts.
Yeah. Yes.
I love that they put the 3 stars up there, and they pulled from, I think, 4 different transfers for this. Plus the fonts. Anyway, go to bed, Christy. It's late where you're at. I'm just kidding. All right, is it still raining there? Yeah, I love it. The boys are taking pictures now.
Yep.
Post on all their pages. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Let's check up on Anna real quick. She's almost done with hers. What's it you're doing, Anna, right now? Cleaning off the excess? Yes? Anna's my little crafter. We quilt together, we craft together, we go to the movies and have a good time. Okay, pull it out. Let's see what it looks like. Awesome. Good job. All right. That looks really good, Anna. I love it. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Say good night, boys.
Peace. Peace.
Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.